Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the orange rainbow friend. This was a request from this wonderful person right here. If you have a request or something you would like to see me draw, then please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Alright, so let's get started drawing our orange rainbow friend. I'm going to start with the eye. So I'm going to do a round shape and make it kind of flat on the bottom. Next thing I'm going to do a little bit of a curve here on both sides, and then kind of a little small line underneath that first line we did. And now I'm going to do the inside of the eye. It's going to be kind of like an oval, missing a little bit of the top. And I'll color that in all black. Next, I'm going to do a little line right here. And then I'm going to come on down a bit. And now this is going to be the mouth, so the beginning of our mouth here. So we can do a line meeting up to that point. We got a little bit of a pointed spot there. And now let's do all kinds of sharp teeth. Lots and lots of sharp pointy teeth. They could be big, they can be small, they can be all the same size if you want. It's up to you. Just lots and lots of teeth. All right, so the next thing, let's do a little line right here, and this is going to be the start of the second eye. So we can do another one of those great big curves. And we're going to do one of these big black, almost a full oval right here. And color it in all black. Okay, so now both eyes are done and the first part of the mouth is done. So now he's going to have his mouth wide open. So we can come on down like that. And then got a little point here, like we're starting to come up a little bit. But before we do that, let's do a pile of teeth. So just lots more triangles. And as I said before, you can do all kinds of different sizes. And you can see I'm doing them going up this way too. All right, so now we can do this little line here in between these teeth for the other part of the mouth. Okay. So next thing, let's finish this mouth. I'm gonna come on down here with a line and come on up. So now the mouth is done. So let's do a part here for a bit of a neck and come on down here with a line. And we can start here with a bit of an arm. I'm gonna do a finger here. It's a bit of a claw, I guess. So 1, 2, 3 claws, little fingers, and a thumb one. And then round off right here, and then bring this line back to the body. And then we can continue bringing this line down, and we can kind of curve right here. And let's bring this line down as well. It's getting a little bit thicker. And I'm going to start with a line right here to be a bit of a leg, and I'm going to put one right here too, and then another one and another one right here, and then this line is going to continue and come on up and going to get a little bit bigger and then we've got another point, and then we're coming on back right there. And now we need to do another hand. So let's do a line here and a line right there, and do kind of like we did on the other side. So we've got a bit of a thumb, and then 1, 2, 3 fingers, and a line there. So there we go, we've got orange drawn, and now I'm going to get started coloring him. All right, everyone, we are finished drawing orange. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.